Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha narrates that once the Prophet ﷺ went out during the night, and I felt a sense of jealousy. After a while, the Prophet ﷺ returned and noticed my condition. He asked, Aisha, what is the matter? Are you feeling jealous? I replied, shouldn't a wife like me feel jealous over a husband like you? The Prophet ﷺ then asked, has your shayateen troubled you? I said, O Messenger of Allah, do I have a shayateen with me? The Prophet ﷺ responded, yes. I inquired, does everyone has a shayateen with them? The Prophet ﷺ confirmed, yes. I then asked, even with you? The Prophet ﷺ replied, yes, but Allah has helped me against him, and he has become Muslim. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23745.